In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to GoHighLevel. This simple yet essential integration can streamline your workflow, directly linking your appointment scheduling to your CRM for better organization and efficiency. Whether you're managing appointments for sales calls, consultations, or any other scheduling needs, integrating Calendly with GoHighLevel will ensure that all your scheduled events seamlessly sync into your system, allowing for automated follow-ups and enhanced client interaction. Let's dive in and get these two powerful tools connected. First, we start in your GoHighLevel dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Within the Settings menu, you'll find Integrations, and that's where we need to be. As we scroll through the list of available integrations, look for Calendly. It should be listed under Available Integrations, and you'll see an option to click on Connect. By selecting this, you're starting the process of linking your Calendly account with GoHighLevel. Once you click Connect, you will be redirected to Calendly's login page. Here, you'll need to input your Calendly credentials to log in. This step is crucial to ensure that the systems can communicate effectively with one another. After logging in, you'll see a request to approve access for LED Connector, which is GoHighLevel's integration tool. Approve this access as it's necessary for the synchronization between your Calendly events and the GoHighLevel platform. You'll know the connection is successful when you see a check mark back in GoHighLevel, confirming everything is linked up correctly. Now that Calendly is connected to GoHighLevel, we can enhance its functionality using workflows. Head over to the Automations section and select Workflows. Here, you can click on plus Create Workflow. This is where the magic happens. For your workflow, you need to set a trigger. In this case, you'll choose either Calendly Event Created or Calendly Event Cancelled, depending on what actions you wish to automate. The flexibility here is fantastic, as you can tailor actions to best serve your needs. For the actions following your trigger, there are several automations you can consider. You might want to send a confirmation email, SMS, or even a WhatsApp message to confirm the booking or cancellation with the contact. Another powerful option is to add the contact to a specific stage in a pipeline, managing your leads efficiently as they come through your Calendly appointments. This integration empowers you to manage your bookings and automate responses, saving you time while keeping your clients informed and engaged. By connecting Calendly with GoHighLevel, you're setting up a seamless process for appointment management and client communication. So take the time to implement this integration and notice the improvement in your everyday workflow.